Hey everybody, welcome back to Crafted by the Pun. This is Paula. I hope everybody is having a great day. I'm jumping on today to show you some cards that I made with the stamp sets that were sent to me by Beebeecraft. So I will post a link to the website down below in the description box. And you guys, so I'm going to do a review on the stamp sets that I did pick up, and I was very, very pleased. I used the fairy stamp set, which I love. Sorry about the glare down there in the corner. The stamps I found were very good quality. The images were very clear, very crisp. They're easy to kind of take off. They were very easy to clean. And I was pleased. I have to say, I was surprised because, but I'm very, very happy. So this first card that I made, I used the fairy set because I loved it, loved it, loved it. So, and here's the card that I made. The die is, I think it was one I had in my stash. This paper I picked up from, I think it was it? I don't even know. But however, there's the stamp, and you can see she's stamped out really, really well. And I put a little Winkostella on her and a little bit here on the glitter you can see, and I just used some rhinestones to kind of highlight and catch the sparkle. And on the inside, and I just put in hope your day is full of sparkle and sending love on the outside. So I thought that was a great card to make. It was really, really quick. I found that the stamps themselves kind of go together, and I was very, very happy with the quality of these stamps. I am a stamp snob. I don't want to buy a stamp and have to trim it or any of that. I didn't have to do anything with these. Like I said, they're great. I was very, very pleased, and I'm excited to use some of the other ones that they sent me. So that was the first project that I made. And then the second one is I made a memory decks card, and I used the botanical tea because like I said, anybody who knows me, watches me, follows my channel, I am a tea drinker. So I used the botanical tea, and I made a memory decks card. So, how I made this memory decks card is I cut a piece of white cardstock, and then I had some tea paper, and I glued it to the white cardstock, ran it through my Gemini, and then put it together, and I used these butterfly stamps to do the green background. And then I took this botanical tea and I put that there, and then there was just a paper flower that I had in my stash, and I put discover and welcome, or yeah, discover and embrace. And then when you flip it over, I cut a piece of the green cardstock, and then I took, I don't know if you can see that or not, I took a brown ink pad and did another stamp out with the butterflies on there because I thought it would contrast it. And then I just added some washi. Here's one of the butterflies from the Dollar Tree, and then this little opens up here so you can put a little information there on the back. So again, these stamp sets, very versatile. You can do a lot with them. I will be doing some more projects with these stamp sets because I'm telling you what, I'm very, very pleased. pleasantly surprised. So please pop over to Beebeecraft. You can't beat the prices for the amount of stamps that you get in this package. The stamp sets work out to less than $2 a piece. And you cannot go wrong. I mean, you can't even buy stamps that cheap from Tuesday morning. So go check them out, guys. And I hope you have a great day. And I'll be back again soon with another project. Have a great day. Bye.